New York State health officials are investigating a new cluster of coronavirus cases in Westchester County, all tied to a high school graduation ceremony. CBS 2's Nick Caloway has the story from Chappaqua.
That graduation was held here at the Chappaqua train station last Saturday. We now know that 5 of the people at that graduation have tested positive for COVID-19. This fireworks show was the big surprise of the night at the drive-in graduation ceremony for Horace Greeley High School. A week later, another big surprise, the news that one female student who had just returned from Florida attended that event and a non-school related party later that night. She later tested positive for COVID-19. Since then, 4 more people who were at the graduation and had contact with the first student have also tested positive. Governor Andrew Cuomo says anyone who attended the graduation or the after party must self-quarantine until July 5th.
It was a gorgeous night. We were in the car most of the time.
Susan Marr was there with her family. For her, the quarantine order means closing her small business.
It really is kind of a big teaching moment for all of us to really sit down and think how our behavior is going to affect others.
Nearly no one was wearing a mask. It was as if COVID hadn't even existed for the past 3 months.
Sarah Alvey and her sister Sophia stayed in their vehicle and watched the graduation from afar. They say it's alarming how quickly a surge in cases in Florida can spread here.
It's scary. Florida may be far away, but it just shows how interconnected our world is and our country is, and how the decisions of one state's governor ultimately now can affect a small town in Westchester.
County Executive George Latimer says this cluster mirrors one in early March when New Rochelle became the epicenter of the virus in the region due to one patient, and he worries this could lead to the same situation.
We went from 1 to 100 to 1,000 cases, in the snap of a finger.
The Chappaqua Central School District says the drive-in graduation followed strict guidelines from the Department of Health and that the district provided clear guidance for families, but that, quote, numerous individuals failed to follow our protocols. In Chappaqua, New York, Nick Caloway, CBS 2 News.